Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today I want to share with you guys a cool wallpaper from the team of iFixit. So every year, iFixit does this where they break into the iPhone 11s, or I mean the latest iPhones, and see what's inside them and what has changed. And they take some cool photography of their steps and everything of what's inside the iPhone of the latest one. And of course, they also do x-rays on the iPhones. And with that comes some cool wallpapers that they release. So as you can see, of course, one that I'm using right now is where I can see inside the iPhone. So you can see the battery pack right there. You can see other components of the iPhone, of inside the iPhone, which I do not know what the other parts do except for the battery, of course. So yeah, it's just an awesome way just to have it set up. So like that, you can have a setup where you can see inside your iPhone, and yeah, it's just an awesome, cool wallpaper if you're into that stuff. And of course, there's also a X-ray version, like I said, so you can see the X-ray version of inside those parts. So yeah, it's really cool. And it's just super high detail. Of course, I will post a link in description below so you guys go check out and download those wallpapers so you can have an X-ray wallpaper of your iPhone and see through your wallpaper. And you'll maybe like it and have it set up for your setup. So yeah, that's pretty much it for that. So as always, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please do subscribe to the channel if you guys want to keep up with more stuff about Apple and other tech stuff. And if you guys haven't subscribed, I don't know what you guys are waiting for. And that's it for now, guys. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.